What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to either make a patterned silhouette or just a normal silhouette. So what we're going to do is in a minute we're going to head over to Photoshop, but first I'll explain how it works. What's going to happen is we're going to take a picture or a silhouette, and you can put like a pattern behind it, sort of, and just replace whatever is inside that little bit that you selected, and yeah, it's pretty interesting. I'll see you in Photoshop. Alright, so we're in Photoshop, and I decided just to choose a silhouette that I found on the internet. I don't want to get copyrighted, so link down below. And I also have just an image here. It's I don't even know. I think someone made a ball of colored sand explode and then took a picture of it. I have no earthly idea what this is, but I think it looks really cool. It is actually my screensaver right now. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this, and if you use the tool down here, it's called the object selection tool. What you can do is, if you make sure you have the layers that you want to select selected, you can basically make a frame around what you want to select, and it will automatically select whatever is inside that frame. So like right here. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna make the other layer that you want visible, so that you can delete the outside of it. And of course, if you press delete right now, it would just delete the inside. But what we want to do is we want to delete all of the outside of it. So what we're going to do first, make sure that you have your top layer selected. So just click layer 3. It'll still keep the outline there. And what we're going to do is we're going to go select, and we're going to hit inverse. So instead of doing the inside, it inverses, and we're doing the outside now. And basically all we're going to do, we're going to hit delete. And there we go. Now I'm just using a screenshot real quick because I really like it. I'm going to keep that. Alternatively, if you want to make a silhouette of something, let's say this dancer right here that we have, you could easily do that. You could basically do the same process that we did just before this, except for instead of with the pattern, you could do it black, whatever you want, just a big black thing like I have right here. Now what we're gonna do is we of course are just going to use the object selection tool again. So right here, and make sure you have the layer selected because that's my bad. And we're just going to select everything inside the dancer thing. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to copy and paste that just to make a better looking thing. It doesn't really matter if you do that, but I like to do it just so that I think it just helps clear up confusion. And then what we're going to do is you're just going to right click on the image right here, not where it says layer 4, but the image, the little thumbnail of layer 4, and you're just going to hit select pixels, and that should of course select all the pixels. Now what you're going to do is you are going to put the silhouette on there, of course, and you're going to hit layer 2, and then select inverse, and then you can just hit delete, and you should have a perfectly good silhouette. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next video.